Hi guys, welcome back to series of online lectures. Today in this particular talk we are going to discuss about similarities and differences between abrasive jet machining and water jet machining. First, we will summarize working principle of abrasive jet machining and water jet machining. As we know that mechanically energy based non-traditional machining processes directly utilize mechanical energy to remove the material from the workpiece by erosion action. And examples of such processes include abrasive jet machining, that is AJM, water jet machining, WJM, abrasive water jet machining, and ultrasonic machining, that is USM. First, we'll take the overview of working principle of AJM. In abrasive jet machining, abrasive particles are first mixed with the compressed gas at predefined mixing ratio, and this mixture is then directed towards the workpiece in the form of high velocity jet by means of this nozzle, and the small diameter nozzle convert the pressure energy of the air abrasive mixture into the kinetic energy. Okay, and thus this high velocity water jet is obtained, and this nozzle also maintain the appropriate stand up distance, that is SOD, and discharge angle also, and this high velocity jet erode the material from the workpiece at a controlled rate, and thus material removal is obtained. Okay, hence here only abrasive particle participate in this erosion action. Okay, so this is about the summary of AJM. Let us take the overview of the water jet machining also. Okay, so in water jet machining, a high velocity jet of water is used to remove the material, and here fluid pump is used to increase the water pressure as high as 2500 to 4000 bar, and this pressurized water is then discharged with the help of small diameter nozzle that convert the pressure energy into the kinetic energy, and the water jet that comes out of the nozzle possesses enough energy to slice the polymeric or organic material. Okay, so here you can see how material removal is happened, and thus this water jet machining is commonly used in food, polymer, and leather industries. Okay, so this is the overview of the working principle of water jet machining. Although AJM and water jet machining both employ high velocity jet to cut the material, but they have different in several aspects. Okay, so depend on that we have some similarities and differences also in between AJM and water jet machining. So first I will tell similarities between this AJM and WJM. So first point, that is AJM and WJM both are non-traditional machining processes under the mechanical energy based processes. However, none of them is considered as a hybrid process, and as we know that a hybrid non-traditional machining process is a combination of two processes where workpiece material is removed simultaneously in two distinct ways. Okay, so this is first one. Now second similarity is both are the mechanical energy based processes. Okay, as they directly utilize the abrasive kinetic energy to remove the material. Okay, then both processes require an appropriate nozzle for converting pressure energy of the fluid, that is air in case of the AJM and water in case of water jet machining. This pressure energy is going to convert into the kinetic energy, that is in the form of high velocity jet. Then performance of AJM or WJM does not depend on the electrical and thermal conductivity and chemical inertness of the workpiece material. However, several mechanical properties like strength, hardness, etc., which influence the process capabilities, and none of these processes is associated with the burr formation and thermal damages also. Okay, and the last similarity is the both the process can be integrated with the CNC system for efficient control and precise delivery of the jet. It also helps reducing the environmental pollution, and at the same time it offers a healthy working environment or condition for the workers. Okay, so these are the some points about the similarities between this AJM and WJM. Let us discuss about the differences between this AJM and WJM. So here I have made two columns. In one column I am going to tell the points regarding the AJM, and in second column I am going to tell the points regarding the WJM. So first difference is a high velocity jet of air abrasive mixture is utilized for material removal purpose in case of the AJM, and a high velocity jet of pure water is utilized for material removal purpose in case of the WJM. Then the working medium for AJM is dust free and dehumidified air. Working medium in water jet is clean air. Okay, so this is second point. In case of AJM, air compressor is used to deliver pressurized air. In case of water jet machining, in place of compressor, here a liquid pump along with intensifier is used for the pressurizing the water. Okay, to increase the pressure of water. Then air pressure typically you have to keep within a 2 to 10 bar in case of the AJM, and in case of water jet machining, water pressure remains very high, typically between 2500 to 4000 bar. Then in water jet machining, velocity of in case of abrasive jet machining, velocity of air abrasive mixture jet when it comes out of the nozzle, usually it remains in order of 100 to 300 meter per second. In case of water jet machining, velocity of water jet as it comes out of nozzle remains around 1000 meter per second. In case of abrasive jet machining, there always exists tendency of grit embedment on the machined surface. Okay, this may affect the surface properties and appearance. In case of water jet machining is not associated with the risk of any embedment as no abrasive is utilized in this process. Then abrasive jet machining cannot be employed in food processing industries due to inherent risk of abrasive contaminant. So this is main point. Water jet machining is preferred and hygienic for slicing food items like frozen meat, fish, etc. So these are the some applications. Abrasive jet machining can efficiently machine hard material including metals also. In fact, AJM is prepared for machining hard brittle metals and ceramics. But water jet machining does not possess enough power for cutting metals or ceramic. So it is suitable for cutting softer material like wood, rubber, leather, etc. Okay. So these are the some points about the differences in between the abrasive jet machining and water jet machining, and here I have given the combined points. So these all information I have taken from this some references which I have mentioned here. So this is about the differences and similarities between AJM and WJM. Thank you very much.
Hopefully you might have enjoyed the lecture. Then please do like the video and know your thoughts in comments. Please do share this video among your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. After subscription you can press the bell icon to never miss the notification regarding our new videos. Thank you so much.